Galaxy Federation. Have a good shift.
Go for Randy.
Hey, Randy, we got an unidentified coming into your sector. Can you run an intercept on that?
Rerouting? Come on.
Rerouting.
It's right in front of me. It's one planet. Oh, here we go. Nice.
Unauthorized vehicle?
This is Terran security of the Lambda system. Identify yourself.
I'm David.
With a D?
Okay, smarty pants.
I'm gonna need your ident code now, or we're gonna have trouble.
Listen, dude, I'm on a tight schedule.
Can you just, let me through? Come on.
Do you know where you are, son?
This is a Terran installation.
The backbone of the Galaxy Federation. And here in the Lambda system, we don't take kindly
Only to folks who can't follow directions.
I don't have time for this.
This is bigger than both of us, okay? There's a lot of things on the line right now.
If you don't stop resisting, I'm gonna have to use force.
You know the Force?
You know the force? That's it.
Whoa, 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 be cool.
Oh, what the? Here we go. Control, we got a runner. Permission to use force.
Unit 12, this is Control. Permission granted.
Woo! Here we go. Stay with me, darling. Come on. Almost there. Get wrecked, you snot-nosed gob. Well, I'm not filling out the paperwork for this. Yeah.
Reroute initiated. Rerouting.
No. No.
No. No.
I'm still moving. Why am I still moving?
Now, where were we?
Hey, Randy, do me a favor and keep your eyes open for the pizza guy. He was supposed to be here like 5 minutes ago.
Pizza.
Why am I moving?
Hot and ready!
Oh, piss.
Control to Unit 12. Hey, Randy, come on back to base. Pizza guy was late, so we got it for free.